What's up, everybody? This is Donovan with Sparks Media, back at it again with another little video. So today, of course, she's in the video, so that obviously means we're doing something like Excursion. And yes, as you guys see in the title, putting new headlights again. So we put a new grill, put new headlights on it, and like about a month later, 2 months later, we're changing up the front end again. We're just not satisfied with it, I guess. So
someone's not.
Someone's not. I don't know who that would be. Anyways, so we're gonna jump on that, or she's gonna jump on that, since like I said last time. Yeah. Since last time the video, since the last video, I said whenever anything we're doing, fuck. Like I said in the last video, anything that involves with the Excursion, she will be the one doing all the installs. So here we are. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just kind of videotape her doing the whole full installation. I'm gonna jump in there once in a while, help her out. She needs it, but for the most part, since she's a good girlfriend, she watched all my install videos, so she knows how to do it, right? Sure. Yeah. So let's get started. Let's get those other new headlights out, show you guys what they look like. Get these headlights taken off because I already got them sold, so I got to get them cleaned up and shipped out today to a buddy of mine over in West Palm Beach. So let's get the first thing. We got to take the grill off, and then there'll be this 4 bolts for the grill take the grill off first, and then it's 4 bolts for the headlights. We might have to loosen up the bumper so we can get the 2 bolts down there at the bottom. Take the 4 bolts off across the top, and there's clips on the bottom there. Might be able to see that you just gotta push the screwdriver down and they just pop right on off. So pretty simple. So we do have to loosen the bumper. Because you have to get to those bolts down there, which is so the bumper was up like that, so I had to loosen the bumper just a little bit to get the headlight out. So I'm obviously the one doing the most work here. I'm just holding down the bumper. That way she can at least get the socket in there without scratching up the plastic. So I don't know what she would do without me.
I get nowhere without you.
So we got them out. So we're gonna pull the headlight out along with all the wiring and get everything unplugged. So our new headlights we are putting on the truck. So these are just the Harley Davidson style, but with the clear lens. I think it's just a much simpler look than, you know, crazy aftermarket. Even though we got the mesh grill, I just think that just simple plain lights, 1, brighter, and 2, I just think it's just gonna make it look just plain and simple. Maybe down the road we'll take these and have somebody cut into them and paint match them to the truck, be all green. But that's just one of the ideas a lot of people end up doing with these type headlights. But for now, we're just gonna leave them black with a clear lens, nice chrome reflectors, so it'll be super bright for the lights, for the LEDs, and it's just a simple look. So we got the one out. We're gonna put this one in, and we're gonna do like a little comparison of what they look like, and make sure we do like them. Even though these were sold already, and I gotta ship them out. But yeah, let's go ahead and get that one on. Just closer. Put the new bulb in. That in. And what's nice about these bulbs, everything we're installing on this truck, it will be in the link down below, is that this has a gasket that's around there, so it even locks in correctly, and it has a gasket that goes there, so everything's all locked and sealed. That way you have no moisture in the actual headlight itself. Let's see, put the little one in there, bring it a little closer. Spin that one, lock it in, and then we'll take the blinker, all right. So there's with the lights were taken off, and then the lights were just put on. From here it looks like it was chrome for some reason, but they're not. Look at there. I mean, I do like that look. It looks good. I think this just is a very simple, clean look. I'm sure there's a lot of, everybody has their own opinions on it, so not gonna get hurt by anybody commenting that old ones are nicer. What'd you say? Huh? Oops, hit that boat. Got it. Video, so be sure you guys comment down below, hit the like button and subscribe. Hitting the like button really helps me out, so brings in more audience and makes me want to put more content out there for you guys. So
see y'all in the next video. Peace.
What's up guys, it's Donovan with Sinful Production. Sorry it's been a while, like a long time since I made the video.